Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to use tabs and leaders in InDesign. An example of where you might see these are in a menu or a table of contents. If you're new to InDesign or maybe you haven't explored tabs and leaders yet, you might find yourself tapping the parent key multiple times to create those dotted lines. And honestly, we've all been there. But what we might notice is that the space can look a little uneven, and getting everything to line up perfectly on the right side becomes a real challenge. It can be frustrating when you're aiming for a clean, polished look and things are not cooperating. So if you ever struggle with this, you're not alone. I put together a little menu here with some items and prices. Those little dots connecting the menu items to the prices are called leaders. They're designed to gently guide your eyes across the page, leading you to the prices. It's all about creating a smooth, easy reading experience so your audience can quickly find and what they're looking for. All you need to do is make sure you have a tab between the last letter here and the price. Let's hit the tab on the keyboard. Let's do this for all the items here. Once done, select all of the text and open the tab panel. The keyboard shortcut is Command-Shift-T for the Mac and Control-Shift-T for the PC, or in the menu, type tab. A quick reminder about the tabs ruler: it is not quite like a regular ruler you might be used to. Think of it more of as a helpful guide that focuses on getting your text perfectly aligned within your text frame. And if you're looking to quickly snap this ruler to your text frame, you'll see a little magnet icon at the end. Just keep in mind that for the magnet to work its magic, InDesign needs to see the top edge of your text frame. If it's hidden off screen, the magnet won't work properly. It's just a little quirk, but knowing this can save you some time. Okay, let's say we want to align the prices to one of the tab alignment options. There are 4 options. Left justified tab. Text aligns to the left of the tab stop. Center justified tab. Text centers on the tab stop. Right justified tab. Text aligns to the right of the tab stop. Decimal justified tab. Text aligns on the decimal point or other specified character. To set up your tab, choose the alignment you need, left, center, right, or decimal, by clicking on the icon that you want. Then, click on the ruler where you want your text to line up. In this case, we'll use a right justified tab, and you'll see how nicely the text aligns. Now, to add those helpful dotted lines or leaders, you'll see this little leader field here. Just type a dot into it, and that's it. InDesign will automatically fill the space with those dots, perfectly aligned. It's so much better than trying to manually type a bunch of dots, which can be time-consuming and often end up looking uneven. You can also enter in any other character besides a dot to have a leader as well. This way, the system does all the work for you, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and consistent. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next tip and trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.